Hello all, welcome. In this video I will show you how to do Verse on-premise installation. There are certain prerequisites for Verse on-premise installation. Number one is that your Domino server should be on 901 Fixpak 7. SSL has to be configured, though not mandatory to start with, but you would need it for future integration with IBM connections. ID vault has to be configured with user ID uploaded, and all users mail files should have full text index enabled and created. Verse installation file 901 Fixpak FP7 HF VOP is similar to the hotfix installation, and once we run the Verse on-premise installation, our server release will change from 901 Fixpak 7 to 901 Fixpak 7 HF2. So here I am doing the Verse hotfix installation that you can see, Verse on-premise installation. So this is where it completes. So this has completed the installation of the Verse on-premise. Next step would be to copy the OSGI folder, which is in IBM_verse_on_premises zip file, which is part of the installation package. So here I go. You have to copy this file from the zip file to the Domino program folder. For in my case, it is c:/IBM/Domino. Verse on-premise comes with the new inodes redirector template that needs to be copied to the Domino data folder. In Domino data folder, there will already be a redirector template which needs to be removed. In this video, I have renamed it, but in practice, it should be removed as it will cause duplicate template error. So we copy this redirect template and put it in the data folder. Domino data folder. Okay. So here I am renaming it, but I would suggest that you guys remove the old template and only then add in the new template. So now we will start our server and connect and check if our installation has been successful. So to check if the installation has been successful, we have to check if the release has got updated. That is, it should show us 901 FP7 HF 372. So here we go. It shows 901 Fixpak 7 HF 372. We can check the same from this show server command. In my setup, if you see in the server document, I have already specified the redirect database. I'll show it to you. So here I go to the configuration tab, server, and open the server document. And if you see on internet protocol tab, I have redirect.nsf. So on my workspace, I will replace the design of this redirect.nsf, which was created with old template, with the new design that is provided by Verse on-premise installation. So I do this replace design here and select the server, show advanced template, and here I see inodes redirect template. So if you see, it is showing me to, as I said, I renamed it. It should be actually removed so that it should not give any duplicate template error messages. So here it goes. The redirect database design replace has been completed. Now we need to create credentials store which is used for the application authentication. So these are the two commands that we need to run on the server to create the credential store. So first command is key mgmt nek credit store. So here I enter it and it shows me, okay, nek credit store created successfully. Now I need to enter the other command, that is key management key mgmt create credit store. So this command will map the any credit store that we have created, and here it goes. So it says credential store created successfully. Okay, now the next step would be to copy the design that is provided to us by the Words on-premise installer. So if you check the Words on-premise installation folder, you will find a file named VOP design. This design file contains hidden views. These are the 5 hidden views which is there in this design file, VOP design. So I'll just open this VOP design. So these are just 5 views and they are hidden views. So adding to your database or your existing template, it would not make any difference. Even if there is any customization, you need not worry, because these are just views and no changes to forms or anywhere. So we'll copy this and paste it in the mail9.ntf file. So here we go. Type in mail9.ntf. and we paste it here. So you will see all the views which we have pasted. It will show last modified by the administrator from the ID which I have pasted this. Now these template changes will automatically get propagated to your mail files, existing users mail file, when the design task runs. So if you want to immediately update it, you can run the design task and update it immediately. We will now run the updall to ensure that all the views are updated and in place. So we will do it on one mail file. Updall by default runs at 2 AM, I guess so. Yeah, it by default runs on 2 AM. So you can wait for next day for updall to run on this, or you can just run it on the mail file. Here it goes. Index update process shutdown. Now we need to replace the template. We need to run the convert command with -m. What -m does is create the folder reference which is required by the verse on premise. So I'll load convert -m mail / mail file name star and mail9.ntf. So it will convert and it will create the folder references. So once we have done this, we can now open the browser and just type in hostname /verse and username and the password. Here it goes. Your verse on premise is opening. Cool. Nice. Now compose. You can just compose a message. It will search it directly, give you the username. You can send out an email, just a test email. You can explore the UI. Thank you.